In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Odoo Error 503 step by step. If you're trying to access your Odoo instance and you suddenly see a 503 service unavailable error, don't worry, this is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be resolved in just a few minutes. This guide is especially helpful if you're using Odoo Online or a demo environment and things seem stuck or not loading properly. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to check so you can get back to work quickly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials and software fixes. Let's get started. First, when you encounter the Odoo 503 error, the very first thing you should do is refresh the page. This might sound simple, but a temporary server or session issue can often cause the error. Go ahead and refresh your browser or reload the Odoo page. In many cases, Odoo reconnects successfully after a refresh, especially if the server was momentarily unavailable. If the page loads correctly after refreshing, then the issue is resolved and you're good to go. However, if the 503 error still appears, continue to the next step. Once the page is refreshed and the error persists, log into your Odoo environment if possible. From there, navigate to the Settings area. Inside the Settings page, look for the Technical section. This area contains advanced configuration options that are usually hidden unless developer mode is enabled. The Technical menu allows you to manage system-level settings that can affect performance and connectivity, which is often related to 503 errors. After clicking on Technical, scroll through the available options until you find ICE servers. ICE servers are used by Odoo for real-time communication features, such as voice, video, or live collaboration tools. If these servers are misconfigured or temporarily unavailable, they can sometimes trigger service errors or loading issues across the platform. Click on ICE servers to open the configuration page. Here, carefully review the existing entries. In many cases, simply opening this section and allowing Odoo to reinitialize the settings can help stabilize the connection. If you see any outdated or unused ICE server entries, consider disabling them temporarily or verifying that they are correctly configured according to your Odoo setup. Once you've reviewed the ICE server settings, save any changes if applicable. After completing this step, go back and refresh your Odoo page again. This forces Odoo to reload the system configuration and apply the updated settings. In most cases, the 503 error should now be resolved and your Odoo instance should load normally. If the error still continues after these steps, it may indicate a temporary issue with the Odoo server itself, especially if you're using an online demo or shared environment. In that situation, waiting a few minutes and trying again later often resolves the problem. For self-hosted Odoo installations, you may also want to check server logs, restart the Odoo service, or verify that your server resources like CPU and memory are not maxed out. And that's it. You've now learned how to troubleshoot and fix the Odoo Error 503 using a simple, practical approach. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo guides, error fixes, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.